What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day out there, staying safe as this pandemic continues. Today I wanted to bring you a new video. I wanted to make a video on all the mods that I've done to my Dodge Challenger RT. If some of you don't know, I drive a 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. I wanted to make a video going over the mods that I have on my vehicle. So if you guys are new to the channel, want to learn more about tuning, modding, or anything along that line with your Dodge Challengers or Chargers or whatever, hit that subscribe button. I'm always bringing out new content, information for you guys to help you learn. Hope this video helps you in deciding, hey, maybe I could use this mod on my car. So hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach my 100 subscriber goal. I'm getting awfully close. I'm just about at 80 subscribers, which is amazing. I can't believe I've grown this much in the little amount of time I've been doing this. So hit that subscribe button for me, help me out. I appreciate it so much. I'm always answering your guys' questions in the comments, so if you enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button and let's jump into it. So modification number one, as you can see here, my brake calipers are painted to match my car and also the center vinyl or the center stickers I have on my hubcaps here. But G2A USA is the website. I'll put it in the description, and they have many different options for you to do as caliper paint. Anything above the RTs come with Brembo brake pads, and I'm sure a lot of you know what they are, but they come colored. But unfortunately with the RTs, they are super boring. Super boring, and they aren't colored, and that's something I really was disappointed with on my car, that I didn't have them. I believe some RTs do come with them now that I think about it, but obviously mine didn't, and I wanted to change that. And instead of spending, you know, hundreds of dollars on Brembo brake pads, you can do this simple step. All you have to do is just, you know, you just remove your lugs, pull the tire off. You don't even have to take the brake caliper off. You can leave it exactly as it was. As you can see, when I painted them, I did mess up a little bit. You can see I got it on the brake pad itself instead of the caliper. But, you know, noticing that from a distance, you don't really notice that from a distance. When ordering this brake caliper paint, you can either choose off some sort of base colors like black or orange or yellow and so on, or you can pay an extra $50 and type in your paint code for your car, which is what I did, and they will color match and send you the exact color of your car so you can paint it on your calipers. This is exactly what I did, as you can see. So now the brake pads, you can see the stickers here, which is the Dodge emblem. It covers the Dodge emblem, which is actually kind of wearing, unfortunately. And obviously my car, all tie in together. All of it matches together, and I absolutely love it, and this is something I definitely recommend. Like I said, link in the description for them. I'm not sponsored by anybody on this video, but this is probably one of my most favorite mods that I've done to my car. G2USA.com. Link in the description. Caliper paint, one of the best decisions I've done, and it really ties the car together. Is one of my favorite mods that I've done on my car. For mod number 2 that I have done to my Dodge Challenger RT, I was skeptical about this mod, and there's some bad reviews, some good reviews, and it was something I sort of just jumped for, knowing that I seen some cars out there that looked very good with them, but then people were saying, you know, hey, they don't work. But as you can see, mod number 2 is, and I've done this before, mod number 2 is my tire stickers. You know, I've gone over this a little bit before in some past videos, but I just want to go more in depth on them themselves. The tire stickers I got off just tirestickers.com. Now there's 2 versions of this product. You can get a temporary version, which is cheaper, of the sticker, and you can get a permanent version of the sticker. But I ordered the permanent version, and the difference between the two is, as you can see, this is actually raised off of my tire. It's not an actual sticker. These are actual rubber pieces. The letters are rubber pieces. So all it is, you order the tires. You can either order 1 emblem for each tire, 4 tires, or you can order 2, like I have. The other side says Mopar with the Mopar emblem. You can order, I ordered 2 emblems for 4 tires, and I paid $150 bucks. $150 bucks for 2 emblems on each tire. And this probably one of the mods I was most skeptical about, and I'm so glad I went for it, because people were putting bad reviews out there saying, oh, they don't stick, oh, they don't stay, they fall off, whatever. I have not experienced any problems with these whatsoever, and I've definitely put them through the test. They stay on when I drag race. I just drove 450 miles one way on vacation, doing about 85, you know, for a solid like 50-60 miles straight on the highway, and they are all still on. This is probably one of my favorite mods, and I cannot give this enough good reviews. As you can see, these stickers really make your tires pop, you know. So just spend the extra money, get the permanent version, and you cannot go wrong with tire stickers. Third mod that I wanted to go over, as far as I've done on my Dodge Challenger RT, is the front splitter. Now the front splitter here, as you can see, this item right here, this is the front splitter off of a Hellcat. So the big difference between this one and the factory RT, the factory RT one only comes to about here. You don't have this extra stuff going around the side and up through. So it's just a bit fatter, and it sits a little bit lower, and I think it looks way better. I think it looks way better than a stock one, a factory RT one. That's why I wanted it. It was a pain in the ass to put on. You literally have to take apart the entire bumper. You have to separate the bumper from the car to be able to get some of these screws. It was a pain in the butt, but it definitely changes the look of the front end of your car. But I definitely recommend the purchase of a Hellcat front end splitter for your bumper. The fourth and final mod that I have done to my Dodge Challenger RT would be I purchased the unlocked PCM and tuned my car. That's not something I can really show you because the PCM is in the car. If you want to see any videos on my channel about my tuning, my whole tuning journey, check out those videos. I have a bunch of them on my channel. I have a playlist you can check out. It is an expensive mod. You pay $700 for the unlocked PCM. It is an absolute outrage in price. Between that, you need the unlocked PCM, and then you need to buy the tuner itself, which is another $300. So you're putting close to $1,000 into something. And I did it myself to be able to experience it. It does give you a performance upgrade, and it does help your car, but it is such an expensive modification, and I can't really talk bad about it. I have a bunch of other videos on my channel that I go more in depth about the tuning process of the Challengers themselves. That is the most expensive mod I've put on my car. You get your performance upgrade, your 20 horsepower, 20 torque. You just have to switch out the PCMs with, if your Challenger is 2015 and newer, you have to switch out the PCMs for an unlocked one. If it's 2014 and older, you can just tune it, which is a hell of a lot cheaper. Check out the videos I have on my channel if you want more information on tuning. But that is it for the mods that I have on this car. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. I just wanted to make a short video on the mods, on the list of mods that I have for my Dodge Challenger RT. If you have any questions about any of the mods, put them in the comments below. I will put all the links of each and every mod in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, if this video is helpful. Check out more videos if you're interested in tuning, or I go in depth of a lot of the mods that I have on my Challenger and other videos on the channel, so check those out if you're interested. Like I said, I'm trying to reach my 100 subscriber goal. I'm super close, and I'm getting so excited to be able to almost be at 100 subscribers. So if you could help me out, that would be fantastic. If this video was helpful for you, let me know in the comments. Put any questions down there you have as well, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. You guys take care, and peace.